Hey guys, what's up? It's Jay, and what I got here, oh yeah, it's a new box. It's got a delivery from BH Photo, and I got a whole bunch of new gear here. So let's open up this box and check it out. Alright, so here is the A6500 kit, like I was saying, with the 18-135 kit lens. So let's open this up, and I will show you what it looks like. Got all the pamphlets and whatnot here, quick start guides and stuff like that. Mini manuals. Let's put that over to the side. Alright, so that's what she looks like inside. We got the camera in the center. We got all the accessory type gear here. I really need to start charging this battery. I'm going to take that out. And like I said, here's the lens, here's the camera body. I already reviewed the Sony A6500, but I will show you what it looks like coming out of the box real quick here. So you can see that's what she looks like coming out of the box. Really nice camera. I just wanted to show you what else was in this box here. Got the camera strap with the USB cord. I already took the battery out. Then we got the viewfinder eyepiece. I'm going to put that on. And then we have the USB charger that goes with the cord, and you basically have to charge the battery in the camera. It doesn't come with the standard wall mount like this. I actually have this wall mount unit. It does not come with that though. So you have to buy this. If you have to buy one of these if you want it, okay? Otherwise you have to charge the battery in the camera with this setup. And let me show you this lens here. Let's move the box out of the way. And then we got the nice wrapping for the lens. Here's the lens hood. So this is the first time holding this lens, and it's pretty lightweight. I thought it was going to be a little bit heavier considering the range. Alright, the zoom feels a little bit cheaper than I was hoping, but it works pretty good. You can actually hear it. Hear it sliding. There's that little bit of friction. Focus ring feels really good though. It's got a nice pinch style lens hood. And there's the front. Obviously I'll go over this in more detail in the full review, just giving you a quick look here. And there's the back. And here is the lens hood. Alright, I will just put that over there for now. Alright, let's go to the Sigma 16mm f1.4 lens. Oh yeah! Been wanting to review this for quite some time. And they use this clam style. Just pull it out like so, and then it opens up like a clamshell. Look at this guy. Oh yeah. Now this one weighs a little bit more than the previous lens, but that's expected to. Oh, it's got a nice pinch style front. I like that. You can pinch it there, pinch it here. And you can see the lens element on the front. It's pretty large. And there's the back. You can see how big that chunk of glass is in the back. You need that for those fast apertures, f1.4. So this feels good. Wow. Yeah, that focus feels really nice. All right. Excellent. This is well made right here. Better than I was expecting. And it's pretty pricey. I mean, you know, $449. Not exactly cheap. The lens hood here. This is the 30mm f1.4. And it looks very similar to the other lens. I think it's just going to be much lighter weight because it's not so wide. And here it is. I got it all plasticed up. It's got a nice round lens hood, no petals on it. Notice the 16mm has a petal style hood as opposed to the 30mm, which just has a, you know, smooth round there. Now this is also f1.4, but it's significantly cheaper. This one goes for like $340 approximately. And you can see the lens elements are quite large. Whoa, look at that one on the back. That is huge. So there's that fast f1.4 aperture. So this should be a lot of fun to use on the Sony A6500, okay? Really looking forward to checking that out. Put that right there. All right, then we got the Zeiss. Icetout. Oh yeah, I'm really excited to use this sucker. Not sure how this box opens. It's a push out? Yeah, it's a push out style. All right. Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot. These boxes are cool. It shows you like the lens elements on the outside, and then when you open it up, it's like the lens is right there, you know? It's really cool. Nice. Got a little bit of dust on it. It's possible that this is a demo unit that BH Photo sent me. Just based on this dust here, I would assume it is a demo unit. But still, that's perfectly fine for me. I'm just reviewing it, but you could just see the build quality. This buttery lens focus ring is awesome. Show you what the back looks like, and you can see it's got a pretty big lens element back there. And it's a macro lens, so it's made to focus really close, 1:1. I'll show you some sample photos shortly, don't you worry. And it's got a really nice quality lens hood here. What I like about this lens in particular is how the lens hood, when the lens hood mounts, it's like this flush mount there. See that? It's a nice touch. All right, put that there. And then I just got these filters. I'm not going to open these. They're basically just circular filters. So all it is a circle, basically, that screws on the front of the lens. You know, there's really not much to it. I'll just open this one quick. I don't want to damage the box too much. Got to send this stuff back. But there you go. There's the little filter. And this is the 55. Well, it's pretty easy to open. And you can see here, see how it's got the turn? You can look, you can see through it, and then when you turn it, it gets darker. How cool is that? That's the variable ND filter. Okay, so it feels pretty good. Looking forward to checking that out. Here's just another filter. It's just a little bit larger, but it's basically the same thing. It's just not variable, so it's dark all the time. This one actually has more variability, though. It goes really dark compared to the 3-stop. And then we got the Shutter Boss 2. Kind of curious what this looks like. Oh wow, it's much bigger than I was expecting. Okay, so it's really big. It's got this cool switch here to hold. Nice feeling toggle. All right, excellent. So that is pretty much it. So I got to charge this battery up and get some sample photos going, guys. So that is it for this unboxing. Very quick, but like as you can see, I got a ton of gear here. I got this, I got this, I got this, I got this, and I got the Icetout lens as well. Put that there. Got the Shutter Boss, and I got these 2 filters. So this is going to be a serious month, guys, of reviews, that's for sure. So stay tuned, okay? I'm going to put out a lot of videos. I'm going to do a lot of testing videos as well as review videos. So I'm going to try every few days to put another video out and show you what the A6500 can do in the real world, okay? Not necessarily professional use, but more real-world average user use, okay? Family fun, things like that, vlogging type footage, and, you know, stuff along those lines, okay? So please stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will put links below the video in the description area. If you're interested in any of this gear, you can learn more through the links. And like I said, BH Photo was kind enough to send this to me, so those will be the links provided below. All right, guys, I'll catch up with you next time. Thanks for checking in.